Cúpla Frása úsáid chainte líofa is chainte dúchas beanach an tamar fad nach gcloisim fhoghlaimeoirí go minic. Ifir a hain, más rud é for if. So, well, if you look up if in the dictionary, má will come up, and we can just use that basically just like we do in English, if and straight into the verb. So, for example, if you are leaving tomorrow, má tá tú ag fhoghlaimeoirí. A nicer, more fluent, more developed way of saying it is más rud é, and then connecting it to the verb with the go. So basically what más rud é means, okay, it means if, but kind of word for it, it's almost like if it's the thing that, or if it's the case that. Okay, if it's the case that you are leaving tomorrow. So instead of always saying something like má tá tú ag fhoghlaimeoirí, what we want to say is más rud é go bhfuil tú ag fhoghlaimeoirí. If you do the work today, instead of má dhéanann tú an obair inniu, más rud é go dhéanann tú an obair inniu. Más rud é for if. Ifir though, guys, is chance. You do not have to be saying Beiger every second sentence, okay? I think some people, when they're learning, because when you look at maybe in a dictionary or in Duolingo or whatever, it'll always show up as Beiger. People are using it all the time and it comes quite repetitive. So just sub in and use chance. Basically, any time where you're using Beiger in the language, you can use chance instead. So that could be as a one-word answer, you know, on will to ag fhoghlaimeoirí, chance. Are you leaving tomorrow? Maybe. Or you can sub it in basically to say might. So instead of saying Beiger go gcloisim, I might go tomorrow, chance go gcloisim. So basically just using chance instead of Beiger. Agus ifir tree, guys, is i gceist. I gceist is very tricky to translate back into English, but it essentially means involved or to entail. So here are a few examples, okay? What does that entail or what's involved with that? Cad atá i gceist leis sin. Okay, when I started this job, I didn't know what was involved. Nuair thosaigh mé an post seo, ní rá is agam cad a bhí i gceist. Okay, actually comes up a lot more often than you would think. And just anything in terms of involved, entails, connected to as well. You know, cad atá i gceist leis an scrúide sin, basically what is that exam about? What does it involve? Just what's connected to it. I gceist for involved or entail. For way more Irish language content, including podcasts, videos, courses, and guides, check out Learn Irish Online.